Sort of a mechanical skull based on the actor's face, and then a series of latex masks put over this.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this.
Well, hey, better luck next time, right? Better luck next time. Keep your options open. Come on in, folks. Take a load off. You need a bigger hat. Oh, picture. Anytime, baby. Always got time for my fans. Always got time for my fans. Enormous smell in there. Next one. All right, as you were. Oh, baby. What's your name again, babe? Danielle. Oh, he's still here. Yeah, that nigga, what you ain't. Very first time today. Right, Danielle? Alright, where are we going? Okay. Alright, Danielle. I gotta go.
Show. And now, how about a nice round of applause for the host of today's show, Alex Ross.
Hey, everybody, good to see you guys. Thank you very much. Welcome. That board's spectacular. Yes. Oh my gosh, you're injured. And you're clean. Oh my gosh. It's so far down. Sensible pose. Huh? All right, there's a shield, and then don't forget the coat, okay? Oh, I was wondering if that was part of it. Mine has been glued. I'm good. Ready?
it.
Can we do some panache?
Of course.
Ready? Yes! Show's over. That's it. That's all. Unexpected.
I am so sorry for
I
this
don't know
way.
what's happening.
Is this the only
Ellie,
one you
that is
touched?
so crazy. All right, Ellie, you're gonna be my lovely assistant, okay? Stand there, look pretty like you don't trust me.
I get it.
Yeah, happy,
I don't wanna
happy.
joke.
Don't touch that curtain.
Oh, no,
What else am I gonna do?
Allie.
Don't worry, Mac. What was that? You made a mess on the floor?
Dude.
That's what they make the pens for. Come on over here. Can you roll that up? There you go. There you go, Ellie.
Here you go, Allie. You feel better?
Look at that. Is your OCD okay now? Okay.
I
Stick your hand out just like this.
I let one drop to drive you crazy.
I'm gonna cut you with this, okay? Why? Because you volunteered. Stick your hand out. Pump. Okay, that's good. All right. I'm gonna cut you right here. Here. Plop. Squirt, squirt, squirt. That's gonna hurt like a mother. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to make you think that does. On the count of 3, I need you to give me your biggest horror movie scream. All right, so on 3, go nuts. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. And or just alone. It's the same thing. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, sorry. No, on Universal's end, I'm sorry. There's kids in the audience. I didn't know if you were...
You want me to cut a kid?
I thought you were going to talk to them.
Oh, talk to them.
Yeah, maybe say something.
Okay.
Thank you.
Allie, you can relax. Allie, 6 feet, please. Kids, listen up. Do not drink beer. All right, support your elbow from below with the other hand. Don't forget to scream. 1, 2, 3, scream! Oh, she's a blue! Oh my God!
Yeah, we got blood.
Oh no!
Okay, we're okay.
Oh gosh!
We're okay.
Oh gosh!
Is this...
Oh, that's really in there.
Dude, is this supposed to
gosh,
happen?
it's in there. Oh god!
What the heck, dude? It's not supposed to... What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, I'm here for you. Universal's got you back. It seriously looks so real. Show us how it works.
Here we go.
Nice.
Now this gag was
You feel so
developed
cool.
by Tom Savini, the man behind the makeup with the original Dawn of the Dead. What we have here is a retractable blade. Slides in and out of the handle, like so. Sort of a mechanical skull based on the actor's face, and then a series of latex masks put over this. So this is underneath all of this right now, and it's running on a system of pneumatics. That's air pressure. Air pressure is pushing these pieces in and out giving the illusion that the face is actually changing shape. Now these had to do some close-up shots so it was as real as possible. So we have airbrushing on the latex, actual dental appliances. This one even has real human hair. That's crazy. Where do you get human hair? Pennsylvania. Hey! Wow.
He's really for a children's show?
Yep. For the final episode of Dora the Explorer. Dora learns to move muy rapido. She don't make it. All right. Join me right there on the X there. Now in just a moment, you're going to bring him to life. You have sensors in the helmet. That's you.
Ooh, so we okay?
You're gonna... Yeah, it's totally fine. Allie, can you just look up there for a second? Could you just run for your life? All right, Allie, you ready? Here we go.
Oh, cool.
Now, this kind of technology used in movies like Jurassic Park 3, when we have control of the dinosaurs from off screen. So how about mid-level? Give me this, like this. Show a fat articulation. Go a little faster. I do my head toss, check my legs. Baby, how you feeling?
Nice.
That song died. Okay. That's one for the kids. Come on, I love Lizzo. She's my favorite. Let's say, hi, I'm Eddie. Hey, Ryan, I live under your bed. I'm kidding. He's too big to fit under there. Check your closet. All right, hand that stomach. Give me a bow. That's where the helmet comes into play. Come back up. Bring your hand back to your side. Very good. Turn off the system. Let's hear it for everybody!
Allie, to say we don't appreciate you would be, Allie, a lie. We totally appreciate you.
Take a floppy leg! Hey!
Oh my gosh. Get her out of here, get him out of here.
Mom! Run! Eddie!
No. Turn around.
6 feet! 6 feet!
Lamar, talk to me, please.
These are all original props from the movies.
Oh, cool. I didn't know
And
that.
shows, yeah,
Oh,
they are.
wow. Cool.
You know what all this stuff is what they use.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.